Hey, I'm just going to talk about some random stuff. I think what they're doing to children is just crazy. Just crazy what they're doing to kids. Like putting them on these hormones. Like they don't think that hormone block or puberty blockers are hormonal. They are. They are basically telling the brain don't start puberty, which is affecting not only fertility but their bones. They could get osteoporosis, and just it's sad. It's sad these kids are going to pay a really huge fine. I mean, they're going to pay a huge price. They're probably not going to live very long. I mean, forcing the jab on children, forcing these, I don't know. I don't know, they stopped abortion. I mean, well, not stopped it, but they limited limited it very greatly. So I'm not sure if there's a doggone, like, are they stop trying to like, are they trying to lower the population, or just maybe they want more babies to doggone keep, keep so that when they're born, okay, maybe they want more children to doggone keep doing these experiments on them. I don't know. um Human rights, women's rights are just going downhill, you know. Yeah, I said women's rights too. um it's just the another thing is that the whole trans movement stuff, or at least these the trans agenda, gets way more attention from feminists, I think, than any other women's rights issue as well. um Natalie brought this up. um Man, I know what her name, I know what she calls herself. Dystopian Deep Dive. Yeah. And yeah, she's right about that. Another thing is the whole, like, the dichotomy of um the parties, the right and the left. We it's ridiculous. It's the same two wings and the same damn bird, actually. Go there. Another YouTuber, by she calls herself, I mean, her channel is Permission to Exist. Good channel too. And you know yeah, um people just need to open their eyes a little bit. It just hope I mean, I'm surprised things haven't gotten worse probably a year ago, but it's slowly, I think it's going to be a very slow thing. And then it'll happen, then things will speed up eventually. It's usually that one thing that happens, and it's like hard to just recover from it, you know? Anyways, this is the longest video I made. I'm just going to send it out. It might not make any sense. It might be even like frustrating to listen to because I pause a lot. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoy this video a little bit. Mwah. Peace out.